Good day, my name is Rosa Dudang. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a straight-through LAN cable. Before we begin, here are the simple steps we will cover in this video. So without further ado, let's do this. So first, you need to prepare all the materials and tools you'll be using like UTP cable, wire stripper, RJ45, crimping tool, and cable tester. After that, get the UTP cable and the wire stripper para tanggalin yung outer cover niya. So, ikot-ikutin nyo lang yung wire stripper hanggang sa matanggal nyo yung pinaka-cover. Paalala lang, be careful not to cut or damage the inner copper wires of the UTP cable. If there's any damage, you have to redo the stripping process. Dito sa part na to, chine-check ko kung nagkaroon ba ng damage yung wire natin. And then, ikakat ko muna ito bago tayo mag-proceed sa susunod na step. As you can see, meron itong 8 wires in total at iba-iba ang kulay nito. These are grouped into 4 twisted pairs. So, need mo itong i-arrange. Now, take a look at the cable structure on your screen. You need to follow this arrangement. This is the T568B straight-through wiring standard, the most common wiring for LAN cables. Basically, the arrangement is the same on both sides. So, need mo lang talaga itong sundin para makuha yung tamang pagkakasunod ng mga wire. Pagkatapos mong i-arrange yung wire in the correct color sequence, make sure mo yung ends ay nakat mo ng evenly. If there are not, trim the ends until they are perfectly even. When they are all the same length, insert them into the RJ45 and secure them using a crimping tool. And before that, make sure mo na naitulak mo talaga siya ng maigi. Place the connector into the crimping tool. Hold it steady and push the UTP cable firmly into the crimping tool. Then squeeze the handles firmly to create a tight and secure connection between the wires and the connector. And then, tatanggalin na natin siya sa crimping tool. As you can see, na-secure na natin siya. So, pwede na tayo mag-proceed sa panghuli nating step. Pagtapos ng crimping, you can proceed to test the cable. For testing, gagamit tayo ng cable tester. Kapag ito ay nagpakita from 1 to 8 lighting up in order without skipping any number at ganun din ang lumabas sa kabilang side, that means the cable is good. So let's see, tingnan natin kung good cable ba ang ating nagawa. Mapapansin nyo na umilaw siya hanggang 8 at balance din yung ilaw niya. So ang cable natin is good. As you can see, our cable is good. So dito na po natatapos ang ating video. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video.